Gold and silver traded bearish yesterday. We have seen gold hitting lows towards 2350, while silver has also moved towards 3040, 3050 zone, and both finding the support have bounced back strongly. And I have mentioned that the support levels are going to play an important role. Now, can we expect that the metals are bound to recover? Can we expect a stronger rise today, or there is a possibility of a reversal? Chairman Paul's testimony again to know in Senate today may bring little volatility. So how to profit from that? Everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session, before the data releases. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end, friends. Do like, share, and comment. It is always a great motivation and support from you. First, let's have a look at the hourly charts on gold. You can find out the support level. See, a flat bottom is getting created here. Look at the 4 to 5 attempts where gold has tried to breach below 2350, and I have also mentioned 2350, 2344. These are the two levels which you should watch out for. Only bearishness is if you see gold trading below 2350, 2344 zone, where the drop is going to be sharper. But right now you can see very strong support is created, and with that as support, gold is trying to stay bullish. Also, if you look at the hourly chart, see moving average is traded bearish here. Now it started to converge, and the support levels here from the moving averages are now going to be stronger. So if you see it is staying below 2362.5, then we can try to initiate a selling entry. But remember, even if you're selling at 2362.5, the first support levels are very nearby towards 2358.60, then towards 2354, and then towards 2350. So extremely important support zone exists till towards 2350, below that 2344, and if it drops below 2344, then only we should treat this as bearish. Else, you should still not treat gold as bearish. Now see what has happened on the hourly charts here. Drop here, retracement, then drop here, then the retracement, and see it is staying in the box. That is also you can see here on the upside. See 2372, 2375, 76 first resistance, and then on the upside towards 2380 and 84. Once it breaks beyond 2384, the prices might not come back. Yes, 2384 is going to be one critical level for the day. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, rising here, looking upwards. RSI is also showing bullishness here on the 2 hour chart. Now another observation on the 2 hour charts, look at the waves here. And if you see, still I can see that lower highs are seen here. There's also 2372, 76 zone is going to be one prime resistance zone for gold for the day, breaking beyond which we can say that it is turning bullish. Now see what has happened here. Couple of bullish candles, consolidation, another rise, and now it is trying to shy away from the highs here. So we have to be watchful at around 2370 to 76. Stochastic overbought. MACD, look at MACD, crossed over here at the bottom. Just couple of candles suggest that it can continue with the rise here for a while. We have to watch out with caution. Breakout about 2370 to 76 is going to be a good indication for the bullishness. RSI is rising, and on the 3 hour charts the observation is more or less same. You can see this a flat bottom is created here. That also makes 2362, 63 zone as a very good support zone, and on the upside the resistances are so far playing out well. But remember one thing, after this drop it is consolidated here. See none of the candles closing below 2355, 54. Here also we have seen this happening, and with that as support it is trying to rise. So once it breaks out here, it is going to be stronger one. It is right now not giving such signal, but if it does, it is going to be stronger. Stochastic rising. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is a bullish crossover. Let's see if it does. I have repeatedly shared. See, at this point, I've shared it. This is a bearish cross, and it continued to trade it bearish. RSI rising on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour charts, just one observation that see this candle and this candle, the bullishness getting diminished here. Appears that the prices are not willing to stay, or the bulls are not willing to keep the prices high here. So one very strong possibility is trading in this channel here. We have to watch out. Stochastic overbought. MACD is trying to converge crossover, not yet crossed over. It is just converging. RSI is flat on the daily. Now look at the daily charts here. See moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bullish. And if you look at what is happening so far is higher lows, higher highs, gold beautifully respecting this bullish channel here. So I will not say that it has turned bearish. You can see this almost symmetrical formation here, and what preceded this was a big bullish candle. What could follow is a red candle. and it could continue on the downside, but right now it is not showing any such sign. Now second thing here is why 7276 is important. See, first of all, a good support is seen today. It is started on a bullish note. Lower highs. Now, from these lower highs, the chances of a reversal still exist as long as it stays below 2376. The stochastic dropping here. MACD is in green, trying to converge but not yet crossed over RSI flat. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Now, those who had asked me to recommend the recommended broker link also is there in the channel and video description. Joining through the link, you will get lowest spreads on offer, SAF free account, and no hidden charges. So do not miss to join and enjoy trading. Now, looking at this, very simple. If you see gold is staying above 2372.5, you can buy, but then 2375.76, very nearby resistances. Then close to 2380 is the first target, and then towards 2384.85. If these three levels are taken, stay bullish in gold. We are looking forward to 2391, and beyond that, we can in fact expect it to move towards 2400 levels. Though I see the chances of this happening appears to be less, but these are markets. On the downside, very good support is seen here at 2350. So if you're selling at 2362 0.5 levels, you have to be careful here. 2358, 2354, 2350, very good supports are there here. And then 2344.45. Only bearishness in gold if it drops below 2344.45. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at silver. See, silver on the early charts is just consolidating. You can see this lower highs are seen and higher lows are seen, just staying in the zone. It has to come out of this zone, which means it needs to break beyond 3120 on the upside and below 3050, 3040 on the downside. As long as it stays between this 80 cents, we have to be careful with our trades here. It is going to swing again. See, moving averages have converged, failing to cross over again, starting to diverge. Also see very good support getting created at around 30 70 30 80 zone. So yes, if you see it is staying below 3075, you can take a selling entry, but then 3060 3040 zone is going to be very critical for further drop here. On the upside, yes, there are good resistances now at $31 levels. Stochastic is rising. Look at MACD, it has formed a double bottom and it has crossed over. This suggests that it could continue to retrace, though it is shying away from a rise further. But looking at the MACD, it appears that it could rise. RSI comfortable, coming to 2 hour. Likewise, on the 2 hour charts, a flat bottom here with that first bullish candle. I expect that there could be second bullish candle as well, which can take the prices higher towards 3110, 3120 zone. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is almost running flat. On the 3 hour charts, if you look now, see on the 3 hour charts, another interesting observation here is the drop, retracement, then the drop, higher lows, and then the retracement. Consolidation going on. You have to be careful, very careful in between this zone specifically. Now, narrowing this zone 3060, 3110 zone is where we have to be cautious and careful for trading silver. If you look at it, has formed a very good support at 3075. With that, we are looking forward to a rise, but I can see greater resistance at around 31. Stochastic rising, MACD is still bearish on the 3 hour charts. RSI is also comfortable, it is trying to look upwards. On the 4 hour, now see on the 4 hour charts, you can see prices are divergent. It has come to take the support from the 20 period moving average. The moving averages are still trading with divergence and are staying bullish. What has happened here? See, 20 period moving averages provided very strong support here for silver on the downside. With that as support, see, none of the candles closed below the 20 period, and with that it is trying to rise. So it is very important for it to break beyond this. Also on the upside, you can see lower highs are getting created here. So this zone it needs to come out from in order to clear or in order to take a direction. Stochastic rising, MACD has still got lot much of bearishness. See the waves here, first wave, second wave, crossed over here trying to trade bearish. RSI has dropped as well. And if you look at the daily chart, now look at the daily chart, see symmetrical formation. Since then also we are seeing higher lows consistently, lower highs consistently. We have to be extremely careful as long as silver stays between the zone. Remember, it has started the day on a bullish note. It could reverse, it could trade bearish as well. And if it breaks below 30-50, 30-40 zone, we are looking forward to a sharper drop here. We have to be careful here. Also, right now, if you look at what has happened in silver, it is breached this bearish channel. It has continued to trade bullish, and since then we have seen it trading bullish in this channel here. So once it breaks out beyond 3120 today, we can again look forward to 3150, and then the chances for it to move towards 32 will be very, very high. Stochastic dropping from the top, MACD crossed over here at the bottom, trading bullish. RSI is also running flat. So looking at this, very simple. If you see silver trading above 31, when you see the lower price above 31, you can take a buying position here. Expect 3110, 3125 as the two resistances on the upside. As long as silver stays below 3120, 3125 today, do not treat this as bullish. Very, very clear. Then also, even if it breaks beyond this, 3140, 3150 is going to be the next and nearest resistance. Only bullishness in silver if you see it is staying above 3150, where we can expect it to move towards 3175 and $32 levels. It is not showing any such strength as of now, but if it gives a breakout, definitely we can say it is going to remain a stronger move. On the downside, a selling entry at 3075 can be taken, below which you can expect 3060, 3050, 40, and if it breaks below 3040 is where the bears are waiting, and we can look forward to, in fact, 3015 and $30 levels as the next target, below which is also possible towards 2975, 2950, though the chances appears to be less, and metals might wait for tomorrow with the inflation data. Till then, you have to be trading with caution. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel on Telegram. Like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and the channel membership here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Do not miss to watch that update. Thank you.